Hello everyone, welcome to my channel KTR Kadir. Subscribe for more videos. Today I am going to teach about how to customize our UI font in iOS application. The font is very important in every application and also our iOS application. Mobile application, the UI text content will be very important. That will be give our application more scenic and also more attractive one, because every application they have used multiple customized application in within a app. So I first I am going to um, print my all fonts already in a system. So now I am going to write a function. Now I am going to write a function about how to print already all fonts already available in system. So get font names. Here I am going to use system fonts dot font family names. That's an array of families. So there is a multiple families are there. So here I am implementing for each family name, then family name nothing is a string name. So I'm going to get a fonts from my family name. So family name, here the same, each family has multiple fonts like a regular, italic, bold, thin, medium, thick, like that. So that I used for each for font names. Here I am going to print my each font names by like this, and also I print my font family name like this. I think this is enough. These lines will be helps to get all the fonts in Xcode as well as iOS. Now I am printing that. Now I am run the code and printing the fonts. Yes. See here, there is a so many fonts. This is a font name and this is our font in font family name and font names. Likewise, there is a multiple fonts. Here you can check it. Each font family has two more fonts, Arial, like that. Now I am going to set fonts for each labels. I already created a new labels. Font is equal to UI font dot system fonts are already available by the default this API. So I'm going to set a size for a font. This is one type, and another one is I am using a customized font. So here I use a font name like this, then I get any font name like this, and I set the font size as 21. This for label 2, and another one is I am going to set another font name Likewise, already that's font is showing. Now I am keep running again. Now you can check the fonts are differ because of the font style was changed for each thing. This is the first one is a system font, second one is a customized font, third one is another one customized font. And also I am changing the again changing the system font to some other customized font. So to 30. Yeah, I think right now you check it, right? Now I am going to add some new fonts to my application which they are not already available in Xcode. Now before that I am going to show what are the custom font already available in Xcode. Like this type of some 30 to 40 fonts are available already available here. If you need, you can choose from storyboard, or else you can change it to the by code, or else you can add some fonts I already downloaded from the online, like Roboto, bold, medium, regular and thin. Now I am going to add these four fonts to my application. So I am creating a new folder like custom fonts, and drag my four fonts to my project, and choose that target, then finish. Four fonts are already now added. Now you can check, right? After that we have to configure each font to our project. If you drag and drop any fonts or any other resources from externally, you have to check your copy bundle resources like this, if that resources was added or not. If not, means you have to click the plus button and add that everything. Okay, now I am going to configure my fonts by from info plist, or else in project, target and info. Here I am going to set the font provided by application. For this application only this font will be available. Likewise, here I am creating the four font names. With one is I already available. I have copying with the TTF format, and I'm pasting here with the TTF, and also for each fonts I'm going to paste here. This will be when the application was compiled, each font will be set up to our application, so that only the fonts will be already built and ready to use. Okay. This is enough. This will be now I am going to print that what are the fonts are already available. So up to this we already having, so I am print again. Now I run the application. Here you can check the Roboto font was printed here because of the fonts are registered to our application. Now I will customize my label fonts by choosing Roboto regular, thin, bold, like the what size of font you need, like that, everything. You can check, right? Here I used Roboto regular, Roboto thin and Roboto bold. These three fonts that will be changing to our application. Right, and also I am setting that label dot text to one for Roboto regular and another two is three is now you understand really by right. This is a how to customize your fonts by custom fonts or external fonts to our application. Use our application. For more videos, subscribe my channel KTR Kadir. More interactive beginners as well as expert videos will be coming on the way. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Keep learning. Keep build a brand new, a awesome application and push it to App Store. Thank you so much.